Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're gonna talk about Namaste. Um, okay, since no one's here right now, it's kind of strange, but whatever. Should I wait a little bit or should I just start right away? Hmm. Anyways, since we're in a little bit, I'm just gonna talk about it, even if no one's here. I bought another 40,000 shares of Namaste. It dropped today. I was so happy. I woke up. I was like, oh my god, it fell. It fell to $1.30. What I did, I quickly went and I quickly bought. I even, like, since most of my money was already gone, I had to sell some liquor stores at a loss just to buy Namaste. But if this stock drops tomorrow again, I'm happy. I'll buy some more. I'll just keep buying every time the stock drops. Oh, 9 people now. Wow. Okay. So let me explain my reason why I bought. I really wish I did more research on this company back when it was 22 cents. But because um I was kind of I didn't have time because I was working and my focus was too much on Aurora, but I should have did more research on this. So yesterday what I did was I went through this guy's channel. Um right? And then if you search in Namaste, right? All his videos. I went from the very first video that they ever released. I think it was this one, June 10th, 2016. I watched this video, and at the end of the near the end of the video, Sean says he doesn't even pay himself. He says that he is trying to grow the company. He's not using he's trying to use shareholders' money very like good and like in a good way. So I mean, like right there is that it's like I could tell dedication. And then I just kept watching video after video. I follow every video. You could tell that like if you could tell like you could tell if Sean's like a bullshitter or actually like a good businessman by following him. And I came to the realization that Sean is a very capable business person, and he's doing a great job at Namaste. At least that's in my opinion. So and then there was a video where he said where they like in sometime in July of 2017 or something, or I can't remember what the date was, but it was in like around 2017, like the middle of 2017. He was talking about how they're projecting 2018 to be $25 million. That's pretty good to project something that's into the future, right? And this is not including with the cannabis sales, right? So if you add in Canmart and the cannabis sale, their revenue should go up a lot more. And then Findify, like you can't like Findify is gonna add very profitable gross margins and revenue to Namaste. And the fact that Namaste and um Findify are working together, it would like because Namaste that's the specialty. It's in AI. So this company they acquired is it fits together very well. So I don't know. That's just my opinion. So the next thing I want to talk about is this is the store, right? Namaste Vapes in Canada. Like if you guys really want this company to succeed, buy a product from them. I'm good. You know what? I will buy a product from them, and then I will review the product or do a review on it. But and then try to get people to try to get people to sign up to the Namaste MD. Like if you guys care about the company, you should promote the company. You should be like find people that you know smokes cannabis or whatever, and tell them to sign up to Canmart or buy vaporizers from them. Because if you care about your company, you should promote it, right? That's just my opinion. Um, so yeah, I'm promoting it using YouTube, and I'm telling you that I watched a lot of Sean's videos. Like I watched a lot of his interview videos. I plan to go through all Namaste technologies videos again, like a second time, and just make sure like I completely understand the company. Um, but like from what I can tell, the company has some kind of value. Maybe the value might not match what it is right now, but in the future it could. Okay, oh, there's questions. Saw the low price. I want more. Might have to do the same thing as you, Kevin. Yeah, but like then again, this is me, right? I'm not telling you guys to go buy it. I can't do that. That's illegal. So just letting you know that I think this is a good buy. I'm buying it. I don't care what you guys do, but this is just my opinion. So I'm gonna try to keep. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm probably gonna change my name into, instead of Aurora Cannabis Fan Club. Maybe I'll change it to Aurora and Namaste Fan Club, and then add Sean's picture in here. That's what I was thinking of doing. So, um, just letting you know that Namaste is on my radar. I'm uh, I'm definitely planning to hold it long term, and if the stock drops, I keep buying more. If it comes to the point that I have to sell my Aurora stock to buy Namaste, I will do it. I will sell some of my Aurora stock to buy more Namaste if the price is good enough. But like right now, I still like my Aurora better than Namaste. But if Namaste and Aurora merged, oh god, that would be insane. That would be like the best news I've ever heard in my entire life. I'm surprised that they didn't try to buy into this company back in the day when they were like 22 cents. Uh I held since 16, no plan to sell anytime soon. That's great. 16 cents is awesome. I got mine at 22 cents. I bought like back then. I wish I did, and I went out and I did my research on Namaste. If I went back and I just watched all his videos, I'm sure I would have been a long-term holder and I would have bought a lot more shares. I probably would have had 100,000 shares at 22 cents, and that would have made me extremely happy. But you know what? Whatever. Like that's life. You don't always get the perfect time all the time. But you know, right now I think it's a buying opportunity. That's just my opinion though. I held 16 cents. No plan to sell anytime soon. Yeah. Well, that's good. Oh, I guess this is the last thing. I want to talk about Sprint. I bought some Sprint on Friday. I think at like 225. I thought it was interesting. I was listening to the what is it? I was listening to the merger call, talk between Sprint CEO and T-Mobile, and I didn't see why it wouldn't go through. The Wall Street is talking about, oh, how they don't think regulators will let it go through, but Sprint is very small. I mean, they're still worth $20 billion, like $21 billion, so they're worth like five times Aurora. But like, I'm just saying that I bought some because you know you can't really go wrong with communication like cell phones and internet because everybody needs those. Okay, I guess I'll read some of these comments. Sean reminds me a lot of a younger tech CEO who's still learning how to navigate the big leagues. He is all traits to. Yeah, that's true. I totally agree with that comment. Aurora is currently undervalued. Its fair value is 11 Canadian dollars according to TD. Yeah, I believe it's undervalued considering what the entire market is at right now. But yeah, I don't really care. You can't predict the stock market because it's too unpredictable. Yeah, I was still patiently waiting to get back in. I think we're fairly close for a reversal. I'm assuming you're talking about Namaste. Check out AFI. I agree, MP. What's AFI? AFI. Uh, I don't know. I guess I gotta do more research on this company. I have no idea, but I don't really feel like doing research right now on this. See what they do. But, yeah. You know what? That's yeah. SNN. You can check that out. S 218 million dollar company. I guess this is a US company, right? Let's see. Total asset 25 million, liabilities 11. Yeah, nope, Namaste is still better. Total revenue is 38. What the Okay, I don't even understand this company. Sorry, guy. I don't understand this. So I need to do more research if I was ever considered buying into this. But Namaste is still better on that. Um, guess we have another 6, 7 minutes. Just I guess, how many shares do you own of Namaste now? I own 110,000 shares of Namaste now. And if it drops more, I'll buy more. That's how I work. I try not to buy all right away, and I try not to go all in like I used to because I don't need to. But Namaste is a very good company. This is at least according to my research, and I'm following my gut instinct, and I think this is a good company. I'm buying into it. I'm not telling you guys to buy into it because that's illegal. So do what you guys want, but just giving you guys a recommendation. Yeah, I'll look more into it. Just don't really feel like it right now. Looking into a work, looking into somebody replied to my well, if you're listening to this, basically I'm using Go Animate to make my videos. My average cost for Namaste is $1. It's like everywhere, right? I think my highest is $1.84, and then I think that one I have 27,000 shares, and then I have like 50 or 57, 50,000 at like $1.50. So it's hard. So I'm guessing my average is like dollar 50 because I have some at like I think $1.40. So it's okay. I mean my what it doesn't matter. I'll I buy this not because I look at the price of my shares. I look at as a long term investment. I want to see where Sean company goes 3 4 years from now. Because the next year he's put like he's saying that next year is 85 million dollars, and this is not including cannabis sales. That's really good numbers. So that's like he's undervaluing what he could potentially make. And last time he said he made in 2017 he said that he'll be making 25 million dollars in 2018. The first quarter was 4.9 million. The second quarter is 5.6 million. So they have two more quarters. So they can and the back half of the year should be better than the first half of the year because people buy more, I think, around those times. So yeah, I'm probably gonna link Namaste's vape shop down below. So for people who watch this later, they'll like maybe check them out. I'll buy something. When I guess when this live stream ends, I'll buy something and then maybe I'll do a review on it in another video. So we have I guess we have what's my technical analysis for price? I don't have any technical analysis for price. These things are a bubble. These things are moved by rich people. Think about it. The stock used to be 22 cents, and then it went all the way to like $4.30. It means that a bunch of rich people went in and just bought like a buttload of shares in a matter of like weeks, and that's why the stock. And then because people were buying it, people who were day trading, they saw such high volatility, and then they bought in, and then the stock just kind of like went like all the way to like $4, and then they started selling out, and now it's $1.34. That's what I think happened. Anyone looked at Second Cup? They are planning to turn some of their storefronts for cannabis sales. Well, the problem with American is they kind of, because of all the bad things that have been happening to them, they kind of lost, how do you call it? They kind of lost their faith in shareholders. So it's tough, like, and because there's so much competition, there's so many stocks to buy that it's like why put your money into American when there's other things to buy out there? There's like cannabis wheaton, there's like there's tons of options out there. But I guess American is really cheap, so people can still, hey Aaron, you should do a live with me once in a while. Tim feels best to. Tim feels they are best to sell cannabis. I saw Mary. Why are you so against weed? Okay. I'm against weed. Like, what are you talking about? Okay. Oh, one more minute. Pissed at Mary. Laugh out loud. Yeah, I had a bad investment too in the day. I think it was Dynasty. They like ran into a lot of problems. They lied, and yeah. At least this is what I think. This I lost a lot of money on this stock. It's like 40 cents. Seems stabilized. I guess you guys could buy into it. Apparently, they like this is my opinion. I'm not telling you to buy this because I don't really like this company, but you never know. It could something could good happen, I guess, and could go back to the dollar. But anyways, my story with Dynasty was I bought into this company at like $1, and then I went all the way to Toronto to research them, and then they lied to me, and then what they told me was completely different than what they told shareholders when they released the press release, and they ran into problems, but like right now apparently they fixed their problem, and they're ready to ramp their new product, and it's going on sale and it's gonna sell and blah blah blah. I'll keep an eye on this, but yeah, I lost a lot of money on this stock. I'm not too happy about it. But you never know, they can still recover. Businesses run into problems all the time, and they lie and they miss, and then they get stuff wrong. Like they'll say something and it'll never happen. So it's just small caps. This is like the risk of small caps. They over promise and under deliver sometimes. So but yeah. Yeah, I'm not really a big investor in gold stocks. It's been 21 minutes. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and see you guys later.